Welcome to Slim Thick Curls, Beauty and Lifestyle.
There's something about the way that you understand.
Hey Sunshines, welcome back to Slim Thick Curls Extreme Declutter and Deep Clean with me 2021 series. In this episode, I'm focusing on my dining room. If you missed the first episode where I did my living room, I will add it to the cards above and put it in the description box for you so that you can watch it and get caught up. Now, as you can see, there is stuff everywhere due to us renovating our basement for almost a year. And believe it or not, this is the decluttered version compared to what the dining room looked like over the course of that year. I started my YouTube channel in the midst of us doing our renovation, so I don't have any pictures from the beginning of the reno, unfortunately, to prove the foolery that took place in this room. But believe me, it was a hot mess. Thankfully, as time went on, we were able to get rid of some items and move items around throughout the house. But today is the day that I get my dining room back, and I cannot wait. I've tried to clean around all the clutter, but could never get this room a true cleaning until now. So feel free to sit back and watch me declutter and clean, or jump in and clean along with me.
You say it's alright. Take your space if you need a break.
I'm spraying my table down with my Method antibacterial all-purpose spray, and I'm going along the wood grain as I wipe it instead of going in circular motions. And I could use a wood cleaner, but this is the table that we eat at and we have guests eat at when we have guests. Right now, we're not having any guests. But I just feel better using antibacterial versus a wood cleaner. And because the legs on this table are chrome, I'm going in with my spray away glass cleaner. So I'm cleaning the walls with my magic eraser. These walls weren't as bad as the other walls, but wait till I get to the other side. You are going to see how much dirt and black marks are on that wall. And again, I'm just using my spray away glass cleaner. Now this mirror, I absolutely love it, but it takes a lot of work to clean because of all the angles and different shapes, but I definitely wouldn't trade it for any other mirror. This is the wall that I was talking about. Look at all this dirt, black marks, fingerprints, everything on the walls. The contractors were coming in and out of this door. We were coming in and out of this door. And it's just filthy. So I cannot wait to get in. I'm going to use my magic eraser, Rubbermaid power scrubber. And I'm going to use this old cedar mop that I put some Dawn dish detergent and water in and get to scrub it up dubbing.
Clear that you are the captor, but I still want you, and you want me too. Why does it have to be so heavy? No one else around here.
Do you have any home renovations, big or small, coming up? If so, leave me a comment below telling me about it. I would love to hear what everyone is up to.
I might not reply to your line, honey, out of spite tonight.
Also, on top of everybody touching the walls, I forgot to mention that this is also the entrance to the basement. So all the dirt, sawdust, and everything else that they had flying up in the air was coming up this way onto this door and this wall, which didn't make matters any better.
I don't wanna fight, laying on your chest in the morning feels right. So I can tell you that I'm gonna try to make what's heavy feel light. Spend my days now.
If you're new to my channel, welcome and thanks for stopping by, Sunshine. My name is Trina, but you can call me Slim Thick Curls. I'm a girl in the world trying to pull off juggling acts just like everyone else, between being a wife to my husband Corey, a mother to my daughter Monet, a content creator, and a full-time employee, all while trying to make time for the things that I love to do, which are cleaning, shopping, decorating, and almost anything hair related. If any of that is your cup of tea, I would love for you to come along on my Slim Thick Curls beauty and lifestyle journey, where I would love for us to encourage and motivate each other along the way and show that it's okay not to be perfect, to go for the things that you love and stay true and be you as we grow through life. So make sure you don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell.
You know that your face is a flex with no makeup. I want trips around the globe, through the desert in the snow, top down, sun out, then we cruising down the road, spend a lifetime together, gray hair, grow old. They don't get it, never will, but all I know
But I still want you, and you want me too. Why's it have to be so heavy? No one else around here gets me like you do. No one else but you. Why's it have to be so heavy? No one else around here gets me. But I still want you, and you want me too. Why's it have to be so heavy? No one else around here gets me.
I really wanted to shampoo all of the rugs and the furniture that you're going to see me vacuum with my Dyson vacuum cleaner, but I did not have a shampooer. I ended up buying my carpet cleaner after I did this video because I just couldn't wait to get that before I started cleaning. But the good news is that this rug that you see underneath the dining room table, I did have my friend come out a couple months ago while we were still in the renovation stages, and I mean like knee deep in it, and she came and cleaned it for me and got it all clean, so it shouldn't be that dirty. But this furniture and the other rug that you saw me vacuum definitely needs to be cleaned.
I'll throw a warmer shade on your colder moods, yeah. Drip, drip from the canvas frame. Take a second to appreciate.
Here is all the dirt from me vacuuming and mopping the dining room as well as the living room from episode 1.
That just ain't the way I wanna love ya, baby. Let the
Now the little bench in front of the window is brand new, so it shouldn't be as dirty as everything else, but it still needs to be cleaned too. And I have an upcoming haul for you guys showing you all of the furniture and decor that we bought, because even though we were renovating the basement, we ended up buying new items for upstairs as well. So stay tuned for that video.
But you come sliding down in honeysuckle cream and nude. Drip, drip from the canvas frame. Take a second to appreciate the beautiful mess we make. I don't wanna paint by numbers. That just ain't the way I wanna love ya, baby. Let the colors bleed. We don't need to keep it clean. Let's mix it up together for each other. Love and watercolor. Drip, drip from the canvas frame. Take a second to appreciate the beautiful mess we make. I don't wanna be.
Remember to stay true and be you. Until next time, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Slim Thick Curls. Toodles.